Hey snare drummers, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing lesson number 27 in our Alfred's book. This book, or this lesson, is on flams. And on our book, or in our book, it talks about how the flams are played and the purpose of them. It says the flam is a combination of small notes, grace notes, and a main note. Its purpose is to produce a broader sound. The sticks do not strike the head at the same time, but must strike close enough that they'll almost sound like one stroke. If a grace note is played in the left hand, the main note is played in the right and vice versa. The name of the flam is designated according to the hand that strikes the main note. So the flam is where we play both sticks hitting the drum very similar or very close to one another. Like that. And in the exercise at the bottom of the page, it shows you how to play your quarter note flams. Try that with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Play some flams. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Repeat and go. Right, so that's our flam, and we're going to use it on the next page because lesson 27 is continued on the back, and we've got 8 exercises and a combination study to practice our flams. Let's do number 1, and let's stop after we do number 1. Here we go. We're going to go through it twice. Ready? And 1, 2, number 1, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Number 2 is basically the same thing, but it's switching which side you're doing your flams on. So let's start with our left hand this time for number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Number 3 introduces some eighth notes in there. So let's do number 3 with the repeat, please. Number 3. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 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 1, 2, and. Number 4 is the opposite side of number 3. So let's do that one twice as well. Number 4, start with left hand flam. 1, 2, and 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 1, 2, and. Number 5, the rhythm is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Watch your sticking and watch those sticking guidelines. Here we go. Number 5. 1 and 2. Ready, set, go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and repeat. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Number 6 is the opposite of number 5, starting with the left hand flam. Ready? 1 and 2, left hand go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and repeat. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now we're up to exercise number 7. 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and. Here we go. Ready? 1 and a 2 and ready. Go. 1 and a 2 and 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 1 and a 2 and. And number 8. 1, 2, ready, right hand go. 1 and a 2 and a 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 1 and a 2 and a. And finally, all that's left is our combination study. I'll count through the combination study with you the first time, and then the second time, I'll play along. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and 1 and a 2 and a 1. And there you have it. Practice these flams some more on your own so that you gain the skill of being able to play your right hand and your left hand flams equally. And until I see you next time, keep drumming.